In this video I'm going to show you how to text chat in voice channel on Discord. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. That is quite new Discord feature, so first make sure that your Discord is up to date to the latest version. So open up your App Store, here type in Discord, and there check if it button says update. If it's update, hit on that and download and install the latest version of Discord. And if you are on latest version, open up your Discord and now go into some server and let's join voice. And now here let me show you how to text chat in voice channel. So now first you need to bring up top icons. For that you need to hit anywhere at the free space and now there hit on that chat icon. So basically you are now on text chat in voice channel, and here you can write any message and send it. And basically guys, that's how it works, so hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.